Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you are fine. I am going to discuss mathematics class second year chapter number 2 differentiation exercise number 2.10. In this lecture, I will solve question 1 2 that is most relevant for paper's point of view. If you are new on my channel, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Let's start question 1. Question from 1. Find two positive integers whose sum is 30 and their product will be maximum. Solution. Find two positive integers. Let x and y be two positive integers. Whose sum is 30. So x plus y is equal to 30. Y is equal to 30 minus x can also be written in this form. Equation number 1. And their product will be maximum since f of x is equal to x y. F of x is equal to x. Put y is equal to 30 minus x in y. So 30 minus x. F of x is equal to 30. X multiply 30 will be equal to 30. X minus x multiply x is equal to x square. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Derivative of f of x is equal to derivative of 30x minus x square. Derivative of f of x can also be written in the form of f prime of x. F prime of x is equal to, further differentiate derivative 30 constant first, derivative of x minus derivative of x square f prime of x is equal to 30. Derivative of x with respect to x is equal to 1. So 30 multiply 1 is equal to 30 minus derivative of x square with respect to x is equal to 2x. Again differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Derivative of f prime of x is equal to derivative of 30 minus 2x. Derivative of f prime of x can also be written as in the form of f double prime of x is equal to, further differentiate derivative of 30 with respect to x minus 2 derivative of x with respect to x. F double prime of x is equal to derivative of 30 with respect to x is equal to 0 minus 2 derivative of x with respect to x is equal to 1. F double prime of x is equal to -2. Put f prime of x is equal to 0. So f prime of x is equal to 0. 30 minus 2x is equal to 0. 30 is equal to 2x, dividing by 2 both sides. 2 to cancel, 2, 15 times 30, x is equal to 15. Next, put x is equal to 15 in f double prime of x. So f double prime of x is equal to f double prime in 15 is equal to -2 less than 0. Hence f of x has maximum value. At x is equal to 15. Put x is equal to 15 in equation 1. In equation 1, so y is equal to 30 minus 15, y is equal to 15. Hence the required two integers handsets of 30 are required integers are 15 and 15. Next, question number 2. Divide 20 into 2 parts so that sum of their square will be minimum. Solution: divide 20 into 2 parts. Let x and y be 2 parts of 20. Next, so that sum of their square will be minimum, sum x plus y is equal to 20, y is equal to 20 minus x, equation number 1. Next, since f of x is equal to sum of their square, it means x square plus y square. F of x is equal to x square plus y square. Putting the value of y is equal to 20 minus x in y square. So f of x is equal to x square plus 20 minus x whole square. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Derivative of f of x is equal to derivative of x square plus 20 minus x whole square. Derivative of f of x with respect to x is equal to f prime of x is equal to, further differentiate, derivative of x square plus derivative of 20 minus x whole square. F prime of x is equal to derivative of x square with respect to x is equal to 2x plus 20 minus x whole square. It means power rule. So first power, so 20 minus x, one number subtract from power, 2 minus 1 1. Again derivative of 20 minus x f prime of x is equal to 2x plus 2 into 20 minus x. Derivative of 20 with respect to x is equal to 0 minus derivative of x with respect to x is equal to 1. So f prime of x is equal to 2x plus minus minus 2 into 20 minus x. F prime of x is equal to 2x minus 2, 20 times 40, minus multiply minus plus 2 multiply x is equal to 2x, 2 plus 2 4. F prime of x is equal to 4x minus 40. Again differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So f derivative of f prime of x is equal to derivative of 4x minus 40 . Derivative of f prime of x with respect to x can also be written in the form of f double prime of x is equal to derivative of 4x with respect to x minus derivative of 40 with respect to x. So f double prime of x is equal to derivative of 4x with respect to x is equal to 4 minus derivative of 40 with respect to x is equal to 0. Put f prime of x is equal to 0 in f prime of x is equal to 0. So 4x minus 40 is equal to 0. 4x is equal to 40 dividing by 4 on both sides. 4 cancel, 4 10 times 40. X is equal to 10. Put x is equal to 10 in f double prime of x. So f double prime of 4 is equal to f double prime of 10 is equal to 4 greater than 0. Hence f of x has relative minima at x is equal to 10. Has minima value at x is equal to 10. Put x is equal to 10 in equation 1. X is equal to 10 in equation 1. So y is equal to 20 minus x. 20 minus x mean equal to 10. So y is equal to 10. Hence the required parts of 20 are parts of 20 or 10 and 10. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube video. Okay, Allah Hafiz.